We made it. Where are we going right now?
Breakfast.
Breakfast? Why? Oh wait, because we're hungry.
Because we're hungry.
But what time is it?
I don't know, what time is it?
It's late time.
See?
We're late, like all the time. Mickey to Mickey.
You're right in the class. I love reading. Bingo.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at the Halloween stuff. There's like little pumpkins, and then you got the little banners up.
So much in there.
Halloween in August. It's not like too much, but it's just like the color, right? It's the colors?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, there is a lot of Halloween stuff. Yeah, there is definitely a lot. Like here, it's like kind of like subtle, except with all the like leaves and stuff. And then you go over this way, and there's so much. I love coming around the corner here now. You don't get to see the castle yet. See our reactions to it. Oh, I can see it first. No, you go see it first. Wow, it's so like amazing looking, eh?
Really nice view.
The shadow is so nice on it too.
Huge amount of music.
Yeah, it's awesome. Hey everybody! Okay, we gotta get to be our guests because we're already like 10 minutes late. It's not too far away though still.
That's right. All of your favorite.
Look at the pumpkins are carved out like.
Nice.
You like the smell?
Can't put my finger on it.
It smells like just like bakery or something. Cool. What was it like walking down Main Street?
Busy.
Huh?
Busy.
Yeah, that was busy. Hi.
Hi.
It's a Sunday though, and right?
Yeah, it is.
So I think it's gonna be busy. It's awesome. Look at Pinocchio on that little thing there.
Cute.
Dumbo. Wow, it's nice. Whoa, here we go, baby. We made it. They're even gonna let us in 15 minutes late. That's so nice. Going in to be our guest. Hello. Wow, so nice. These guys. Cool. Hey, you want to see the menu? What do you want to get? Hi, are you excited? Cool. What are you gonna have again?
Feast à la Gaston.
Okay, nice. Sounds good. I'm gonna have this one, open face bacon and egg sandwich.
What did you get?
I just got some tea.
Yeah. Hi. Nice t-shirt.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, she got a Mickey shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry we couldn't sit in the West Wing.
It's okay. How was your breakfast?
Good.
What'd you eat?
Eggs, bacon, sausage,
Nice.
fruit,
Nice.
prajis.
Look, there's our aftermath. I had poached eggs and on a sandwich, croissant, and some brie. It was yummy. It was very flavorful. Cool. Neato. It's been torn by claws. Jeez.
You know it's gonna go all the way up there. Into the sky and back down to 4 feet. I was born from
a small blue egg in a white booth. My story's not near as interesting as Ariel's.
Don't be greedy. Cool. That looks so awesome. He's like, nothing's but.
Poor child. We told her that Ursula could help her.
I lived in the past, I've been a nasty. They were kidding when they called me Railroad Witch.
Did you like it? Okay. They make carrots and cabbage and stuff. Oh, it's slipping falls. Oh, little ball! Forgot about that one.
Hey, y'all! Hold up there!
Oh no, danger. Go back. Don't cut your own Oh no. Put the camera down.
In the face.
Me too.
Yeah, that's us.
Hi. Feels nice on the face. Oh my god, you got really wet. Whoa. Hi. I got a little wet. That's okay. Feels nice. Pirate's Adventure.
You see treasure beyond your wildest dreams. Yes! Well, it don't come easy, so you see, you need to have skills. Skills! You need to be cunning. Can't provide. It's takes talent.
Talent!
You need patience.
You need to be quiet. I'll be right down here.
Let's just put the law into the test and see if you have what it takes. Now, are you ready?
The captain asked, are you ready? Yeah! Just helping out.
Such not a
Keep it brave or cool enough.
Jack Sparrow, show yourself, you miserable cur.
Where will be Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up. Anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Belay there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't you, boys?
Hey, watch the rams!
Want to see the castle with me?
Yeah, let's go.
Ready, watch. Do you want to check out the pin sword over there too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's the best Halo.
Oh yeah. Can I grab that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take that
Yo.
one. Cool. He's neat. Disney Marathon. Are you tired?
Yep.
Yeah. It's hot. It's like over 100 degrees.
And busy.
Yeah, it's busy. Busy. I think it's the last day before a lot of these people go back to school, eh?
Yeah.
That's why it's so busy. I think everybody here, these people, those guys, those guys. Where are we going now?
So Dwarves Mine Train.
About time, eh?
Yeah.
Here we go. So it's finally time. All right, we're locked and loaded now, eh?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Let's ride.
Yeah. It's okay, I'll hold it. Bye! Hi-ho, hi-ho! Yeah?
Yeah.